Welcome to Around the World. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that'll make your taste buds scream for more. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the charming cafes of Paris, we're diving headfirst into a world of flavor. Tokyo, you beauty! A city that never sleeps, where the neon lights blend seamlessly with the ancient temples. This city is an electric mix of modern madness and ancient traditions, a place where the future meets the past in the most spectacular way. And the food, oh, the bloody food! It's a culinary adventure that takes you from bustling street markets to serene high-end restaurants. We're talking about sushi so fresh it'll slap you silly, the kind of freshness that makes you question everything you thought you knew about sushi. Imagine this. Melt-in-your-mouth slices of the freshest fish you've ever encountered, draped over perfectly seasoned rice. It's a harmony of flavors that dances on your palate. Each bite is a revelation, a delicate dance of textures and flavors that'll have you shouting "Oishii" before you know it. It's an experience that transcends mere eating. We're talking about master sushi chefs who've dedicated their lives to perfecting this art form. These culinary artists have honed their skills over decades. They treat each piece of fish with the utmost respect, slicing it with surgical precision and crafting each nigiri like a tiny, edible masterpiece. It's a labor of love and dedication. Sometimes the best food experiences are found in the simplest of places. A small, unassuming sushi bar can offer a meal that rivals the fanciest restaurants. So pull up a seat, grab a pair of chopsticks, and prepare to have your mind blown by the symphony of flavors that is Tokyo sushi. It's not just a meal, it's a journey through the heart and soul of Japanese culture. Naples, Italy, the birthplace of pizza. And let me tell you, they don't mess around when it comes to their national treasure. We're talking about thin, crispy crusts, charred to perfection in wood-fired ovens. The smell alone is enough to make your stomach growl louder than my insults in the kitchen. And the toppings? Simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. San Marzano tomatoes grown in the volcanic soil of Mount Vesuvius lend their sweet, tangy flavor to the sauce. Creamy mozzarella di bufala, made from the milk of water buffalo, adds a richness that will make you weep with joy. One bite, and you'll understand why Neapolitan pizza is considered the gold standard. So ditch those frozen pizzas, grab a fork and knife, and prepare to experience pizza perfection in the heart of Naples. Mexico City, you spicy siren. Get ready to dive headfirst into a world of flavor that'll set your taste buds on fire. This city is a fiesta for the senses, and when it comes to tacos, they don't hold back. We're talking about soft, warm tortillas, piled high with a symphony of textures and tastes. Slow-cooked meats, marinated to perfection and bursting with juicy flavor, will have you licking your fingers and begging for more. From fiery habanero to tangy tomatillo, each salsa packs a punch that'll wake up your taste buds and leave you craving more. Forget about fancy restaurants. Grab a stool at a crowded taqueria, order a plate piled high with tacos, and get stuck in. Chapter 4. Paris, Croissant Dreams. Paris, the city of love, lights, and croissants? Yes, croissants. The quintessential French pastry that has captured hearts worldwide. You bet your baguette. Forget those dry, crumbly excuses for croissants you find elsewhere. In Paris, croissants are an art form. We're talking about buttery, flaky perfection that'll make you want to dance in the streets. Each bite is a symphony of textures and flavors. Picture this, you're strolling along the Champs-Élysées, the morning sun casting a warm glow on the city. The air is crisp, and the city is just waking up. The smell of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, drawing you towards a charming patisserie. It's impossible to resist. Inside, rows upon rows of golden croissants beckon, their delicate layers practically begging to be devoured. Each one is a masterpiece. One bite, and you're transported to a world of pure pastry bliss. The flavors dance on your tongue, leaving you craving more. The exterior shatters with a satisfying crunch, giving way to a soft, airy interior. It's a perfect balance of textures. So grab a café au lait, find a sunny spot in a charming cafe, and let yourself be swept away by the simple pleasure of a Parisian pastry. It's a moment of pure joy, a taste of Paris in every bite. Chapter 5. Valencia, Paella Paradise. Valencia, Spain. Home of paella, sunshine, and a whole lot of flavor. Forget those pale imitations you find elsewhere. This is the real deal, cooked over an open fire and bursting with the flavors of Spain. We're talking about saffron-infused rice, cooked to perfection with a crispy caramelized bottom called sauerkraut. Think fresh seafood like plump prawns and tender mussels cooked to perfection in the flavorful broth. Or maybe you're more of a meat lover. Then get ready for succulent chicken and chorizo, their smoky flavors infusing the rice with a depth of taste that'll blow your mind. So grab a group of friends, find a sunny spot overlooking the Mediterranean, and dig into a massive pan of paella. Chapter 6. Beijing, a Peking duck dynasty. Beijing, China, a city steeped in history, culture, and some of the most incredible food on the planet. And when it comes to culinary legends, Peking duck reigns supreme. We're talking about crispy, golden brown skin that shatters with each bite, revealing succulent, flavorful meat underneath. First, the ducks are carefully selected and seasoned with a blend of aromatic spices. Then, they're roasted in special ovens until their skin reaches a level of crispy perfection that'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about duck. Skilled chefs carve the duck right before your eyes, their knives gliding through the meat with surgical precision. Each serving comes with thin, delicate pancakes, spring onions, cucumber, and a sweet and savory sauce that'll have your taste buds singing. Chapter 7. Mumbai, Curry Chaos. Mumbai, India, a city that explodes with life, color, and a cacophony of aromas that'll have your stomach rumbling like an earthquake. And when it comes to flavor, nothing beats Mumbai's legendary curries. We're talking about a riot of spices, each one adding its own unique character to the mix. Think fragrant cardamom, warming ginger, earthy turmeric, and fiery chilies, all blended together to create a symphony of taste that'll blow your mind. From creamy butter chicken to fiery vindaloo, Mumbai's curries run the gamut from mild to wild. These fluffy, pillowy clouds of naan bread are the perfect vehicle for soaking up every last drop of that delicious curry sauce. So grab a spoon, embrace the chaos, and get ready for a culinary adventure that'll tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Chapter 8. Texas. BBQ Bliss. Texas, y'all. We're not just talking about big hair and even bigger personalities. We're talking about barbecue so good it'll make you want to slap your mama. Just kidding, folks. Don't actually slap your mama. Forget those fancy sauces and fussy techniques. Texas barbecue is all about slow cooking over wood smoke until the meat surrenders to its own deliciousness. We're talking about brisket so tender it melts in your mouth, ribs that fall off the bone with a gentle nudge, and sausage with a snap that'll wake up your taste buds. So grab yourself a checkered tablecloth, pile your plate high with brisket, ribs, and sausage, and get ready to experience barbecue bliss the Texas way. Chapter 9. Seoul, Kimchi Kraziness. Seoul, South Korea, a city that pulsates with energy, innovation, and a whole lot of kimchi. This fiery fermented cabbage is a staple of Korean cuisine, and once you try it, you'll understand why. Forget those bland, boring side dishes. Kimchi is a flavor bomb that'll wake up your taste buds and leave you craving more. It's spicy, sour, tangy, and utterly addictive. But kimchi isn't just a side dish. It's a versatile ingredient that can be added to everything from stews and soups to pancakes and fried rice. So if you're looking for a culinary adventure that's both delicious and good for you, look no further than kimchi. Chapter 10. Florence, Gelato Galore. Florence, Italy, the birthplace of the Renaissance, home to breathtaking art and architecture, and of course gelato so good it'll make you want to sing opera. This city is a treasure trove of history and culture, where every corner tells a story, and every street is a feast for the senses. Forget those icy, artificial-tasting desserts. We're talking about creamy, dreamy gelato that'll transport you to a world of pure indulgence. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, a testament to the Italian mastery of dessert making. Made with fresh, high-quality ingredients and churned slowly to achieve a texture that's both dense and incredibly smooth, gelato is the ultimate Italian treat. The process is an art form, perfected over generations, ensuring that every scoop is a perfect balance of flavor and texture. From classic flavors like pistachio, hazelnut, and chocolate, to more adventurous options like ricotta with figs or lavender honey, there's a gelato flavor out there for everyone. Each flavor is a journey, a new experience waiting to be savored. It's a dessert that celebrates the pure, unadulterated flavors of fresh ingredients, crafted with care and passion. The dedication of the artisans who make it is evident in every creamy, delicious bite. So take a stroll through the charming streets of Florence, find a gelateria that calls to you, and treat yourself to a scoop or two of pure gelato heaven. Let the flavors dance on your tongue as you soak in the beauty and ambiance of this magical city.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
So there you have it, you lucky devils. A whirlwind tour of some of the most delicious food our planet has to offer. Don't forget to smash that like button if your mouth is watering and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey. Until next time, keep it flavorful.